I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere.
I've been everywhere, man.
I've been everywhere, man.
Morning, coffee.
Good morning.
Morning. We've just bought the most expensive coffees ever, so I hope they're good. This is $5.50.
It's actually really little.
Ridiculous. So, probably means we're somewhere where you get expensive coffees. We're on the Great Ocean Road. We boosted down here yesterday afternoon. We didn't film much at all. We stayed in a campsite last night up in the Great Otway National Park with about a bazillion other people, which was fun. There was a bit of late night Tetris going on with people coming in and stealing other people's campsites or having not booked their campsites. It was great watching from the tent. And we came down to Lawn yesterday, had a swim, and today we're driving the Great Ocean Road. Fun fact, we've already driven the Great Ocean Road on this trip already. We did it about a week and a half ago when the weather was shitty and we boosted into Melbourne to see my brother. But it's so good, and the weather's forecast has been so good this last week, we had to do it again.
And also, I want to drive it this time.
Yes, that means we've both driven it. So, here we go. Cheers.
So I'm just gonna butt in here. This episode is a little different. It's more of a scenic experience rather than a story. We spent most of the day driving this beautiful road and stopping at all of the famous and iconic lookouts. Our little drone had a close encounter with one of the locals. We got some awesome footage, and I'm pleased to report that both eagle and drone flew away unscathed. The rest of this video is footage of the amazing and spectacular coastal landscape of the Great Ocean Road. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the beautiful scenery.